Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 13. I'm on my way to work right now for my natural skincare, body care, hair care, makeup business. I always have the business linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. A lot of the products are tallow based. If that is of interest to you, it's really good. I love it. It's the only skincare and makeup now that I basically use. But gotta go there, gotta set up, and yeah, the event is only 5 hours, but I'm a little nervous. Nicole, my business partner, and I are split up for this event because we've got two separate events going on today. And the weather is kind of iffy, but it's just supposed to be iffy later. So I'm hoping that people come out and shop. Since my event is 10 to 3, so I'm hoping, fingers are crossed, that it goes well. I'm a little nervous. I'm not usually solo, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so it's now almost 5, and I'm going home. I need a shower. I need to shower and take my makeup off, put comfy clothes on, and have dinner. I don't know exactly what we're going to do for dinner tonight. I think Jacob just got home with the kids. He also went to like the grocery store and did that sort of thing. So that was good, but I'm also ready to just see the kids. We're going to watch Home Alone 2 tonight with them, so that'll be fun. And I've already done like my reselling posting, so I don't have to worry about any of that. So yeah, so I should just be able to just enjoy the night with my family, which is what I plan to do, and I'm really excited. It's supposed to get really, really cold. Like, I think tomorrow morning it's supposed to feel like negative 15 or something, which is crazy and super cold. So we don't plan to do anything tomorrow, really. I think we're going to try to just watch football because we haven't been able to watch football together in a long time, a few weeks. And so, yeah, that's what we plan to do. Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 15? 15, I think. I don't know anymore. I can't keep track of the days, if I'm being completely candid. Yesterday I didn't like hop on here and talk at all because we just had like a family day, and you know what? It was really nice. I didn't realize how bad I wanted or just needed it. So that felt really, really good to have. I mean, I got some clips yesterday of us. We made more cookies and stuff like that. But anyways, that was just nice and fun to have that. Now I'm getting a thing. Jacob has Google Meets again today because the weather is super cold. It's very cold out here right now, but I had to run out and get something that I sold and get some boxes. So I got to get back in there, get my shipping prepped and out the door. And yeah, and do that before he starts his Google Meets soon. Preferably also get to eat, but we'll see about that one. So Owen and I, what are we watching, buddy?
Toy Story.
Watching Toy Story. Are we having some of our cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you've got popcorn?
Yeah.
It was a good night, huh? So once Jacob got done with his Google Meets, we went out. We went to a couple Goodwills. I'm gonna film the haul. I might do like show you all a couple highlights, maybe. We shall see. Ignore the wall behind me, okay? Our old couch messed it up. We gotta fix it. Don't pay attention. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to day 16. 16, that's right. It's the last of this vlog. It's been kind of a short vlog.
And Santa's coming.
In 9 days, Santa's coming. That's right.
Ah.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
But yeah, we're watching The Grinch again. It's one of Owen and Evie's favorites this morning. I've already gotten the trash taken out and packages are out and laundry's going. Why are you eating Woody's hat? Don't eat Woody's hat, you weirdo. But yeah, got the chores started. Jacob is back to work for the first time, and well, 2 school days, but you know, then there was the weekend, so 4 days. So yeah, we're back to our normal schedule. Hopefully both kids are feeling good. Hopefully we'll have a more normal day. Right, sis? Right? Right? And it's not as cold today, so that is good. Oh, what was it, Betty? What do you want to show?
We did why
Look, sis, you gotta back it up. Oh. Now your thumb is covering it, sissy. Oh, there you are. So it's the end of this vlog, and I figured I would just film an outro. Today was kind of a lot. This morning I felt like I was really productive. I got some cleaning done. I got the laundry done. I bought this Disney backpack that has Disney princesses all over it for my daughter from the Goodwill, but I didn't realize that it smelled like smoke. And I was like, well, surely I can just like soak it, wash it, it'll come out. This has been the vein of my existence all day, trying to get this darn thing to not smell. But I've got it soaking in essential oils, and I think it's doing the trick. Maybe, hopefully, I don't know. But I was like, I'm just gonna let this soak for a while. Hopefully that helps. But I've been like flipping it, so that way then each side gets coated or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna get on here. I'm gonna edit this so then I can post it. Oh, the other thing, the back half of the day after nap time, after the kids' nap time, Evie woke up in a mood. I don't know if she's teething or what, but she was in a mood this afternoon, so kind of clingy to mommy, which is fine. I love it. Don't get me wrong. But it meant that I didn't do much this afternoon. And then Jacob got home and I made dinner, and then we watched a movie together, which was just nice to watch a family movie together, not have to worry about anything. But now we just read books for bedtime. Evie's asleep and Owen is going to sleep. And yeah, I'm gonna edit this and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.